So where were we? We were on the part of functions, right? So functions, how many types are there? Function without parameter, without return type. So two factors means 4 different variables will get. Wherever I am using, master Python repo has to be referred. Okay. In this you will find first you have built-in functions. Functions given by the Python. Okay. You are not writing the code for it. Automatically these functions are present. Print length of hello old. How much it is? Length means it will print what? Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can write here any name with a space, SAMPATH. 1, 2, 3. Save it, run it. 10. So it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. It won't. Let's see SAMP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more than 10 it should be 18. If spaces are there, save it, run it. Okay. Spaces you can see here. OpenAI. Next one is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. After this, length of 1, 2, 3, 4. Length means the number of chocolates. It doesn't start with 0. You say crores. How many crores means 4. Will you say 3 because it starts from 0? No. Actual remotes are 1 only. But what is the position? It starts from 0. True and false, what is the length? 2, right? True and false. Length of 1A to B, which type of data structure is this? So how many are there? 4 or 2? This whole one is 1 key and 1 value. So this is 2, right? Length of 10, 20, 30. Length of range 10, 9. 0 to 9 is 10. Now empty. Take it as a homework. Let me know what is the edge case. Edge case in the sense it's a space, but how much it will calculate. Maximum of 5 and 10. You're using max. You're not writing code for it, right? You're using a built-in function. Maximum of 147472. Maximum of ABC XYZ. ASCII. ASCII. Yes, this is with respect to key. S. You're only printing. This is list. Converting to list and printing it. Sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. How much are you? 3. Sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum of range of 5. Yes, last second. 5 plus 4. 9 plus 3. Yeah, 0 to 4. Exactly. Same thing. This is 0 to 4 is 1 to 4 only. Sum of this one. Last second. What's your name? Yashwant. But you understood, right? Sum. Take it as a homework. Using the same sum without using the same sum, you need to write down the code without using the sum built-in function, predefined function. What is this doing? Just printing. You're not writing any code to print, right? You're using it. This is built-in function. Okay? Predefined function or built-in function. Binary of 5. Zeros, ones. Ordinal. Let's code together. This is binary of 1024, right? Up till here. What is ordinal? Ordinal value of A. Ordinal value of small a. Same ASCII only. Even at the rate has 64 as the value. The euro. So every symbol, full stop, hyphen, exclamation, every has a ordinal value, ASCII value. Even in your laptop, the first after 1, before 1, you have some slash like this. You have quotes, right? You have slashes. That has a value. Okay? If the value, what is the capital A? 65. So capital D would be 66 is B, 67 is C. D would be? Now what is the ones and zeros of 68? There is no interview question like this. But how internally, when I am hitting what? I am writing YASHWNTH, Yashwant, right? So when I am clicking Y from my keyboard, it's going ones and zeros to the CPU. So Y, let's take one more example, Apple, APPLE. How much is A? 97, small a. What is the, how do you, okay, take it as a homework. How do you convert ones and zeros of 97? I'll show you. It would be interesting. This is, no one asked this. You see this? 97 and 2. 2, 4 is 8. 2 8 is 16. 1. 2 2 is 2 4 is 0. 2 1 is 2. Now don't worry. This is not Python. This is just to show how computers work. Even your mobile, when you're clicking anything, any electronics in this world, even this AC, when you're clicking the button, right? Internally, through the wires, it's going ones and zeros. Okay? And Asia, US, Europe, from the sea, all these cables are connected. You see how much powerful is internet? All this infrastructure was set up only for us to use Instagram and Facebook. No. When you click like, what is happening? Same ones and zeros from the software layer to your operating system layer. from the satellite, like of Yashwan is going ones and zeros to the satellite, is going to the server of Facebook or Instagram. Okay, I'm just taking an example. In my laptop, whenever I'm clicking a button, that ones and zeros are going to CPU. CPU, your processor is so powerful, so fast. In 1 second, how many questions, how many calculations can it do? 1 second. Can you Google it? I just asked you sum of 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? How much time it took? I mean, just comparing. I will also take same time. In 1 second, how many calculations will happen in your computer? What's the answer? Hundreds of billions in 1 second. Can we train ourselves? Got it? So, programming also, one program that you're writing, one whole file that I'm writing, right? Inside that, it's converting to ones and zeros, and your laptop, my laptop, currently, my laptop is running Comet, Perplexity, a game. I'll be downloading parallelly. So my processor is working in that way. Okay, and I'm showing you HDMI cable is working, screen is getting shared, microphone is working, video is off, right? And I can download something. I can open my Facebook, Instagram, and it's getting uploaded. I can run a Python full 15,000 lines of code, and still your processor is good. That is the power you have in your hand. Okay. Now you are learning the basics of it. You're learning the basics of programming. You will be writing these codes. You don't have to worry about how the processor is working, how operating, what is OS and everything. You're working on the upper layer, that is the software. Okay. No one will ask you how to convert 97. So it will be 102 means 0, 6, 0, and 2 3s are 6. This would be 1s are 1. So 1 1 4 zeros 1. 1 1 4 zeros 1 is A. I am pressing A now. Again I pressed. Got it? Is it interesting? What is the hexagonal value? What is hexagon? Homework? Okay, you have some concept called 0 to 9. You have some number exists after 9, you get 1 0, 10. We are reusing 0, right? Now hexagon means up till, octagon means up till 8. 8 bits. So this can come as a little question: what is hexagonal, what is octagonal? Okay, because if you're working on a very big project where the data is coming from your electronics, from your car up to your project, your server, at that time those pins are hexagonal or octagonal. Okay, so you will use a predefined function to convert it into one numeric, store it in your database. Now you have x is equals to 15, y is equals to 20. Maximum. What is this type of function? Built-in. And which type from the 4 types? It has a parameter. And return type also, right? Print. No parameter. You're passing something, right? The same passed value is getting on the monitor. Not on the monitor, on your command prompt. So print is a parameterized, no return type. Max is Max is taking parameter, right? Max means two things it will take. Then it will give you the max. That means it takes parameter. Return type is there. Why you doubt? Max means something it has to return.
Yes.
Some answer it is returning. Minimum. Does it have parameters? Parameters means this part. Minimum. Hexagonal. Which type of function? All following? Anybody got derailed? See, these are built-in functions. But I showed you some functions like add. It gives 1 and 2. And result is equals to. But a piece of code, another called def add I have written. So what is this type of function? Parameterized and it is returning. Then only add when you're calling 2 and 3, it will add 2 and 3 and give you the answer as result 3, right? Now what is this function? How should it will be in your Python code? Def max, taking two numbers A and B. Okay, this is the code, right? Actual code. Now you're calling max. You're giving x and y. X is 15, 20. Is A greater than B? Then return A. Else return B. Understood? Internally the code is like that. This is the actual code of max. But you don't need to write down the body, right? Max is present in Python. That is the reason you are using. So max, which type of function it is? With parameter and with return type. Minimum, print. Exactly. In case if it has return type, you can see here. It's a print is a function and it is taking anything inside the parenthesis, right? That means it is taking parameter. If it is with this arrow and saying none, that means no return type. Got it? This is the signature. How it is the blueprint of the function. You can see it from this tool. How is the blueprint of max? Max, A and B, and the full name. Okay, it is not given much things. So what are the other things? Ordinal. You can see ordinal is taking something. What is it returning? End. Ordinal of A, it will print 65, right? Bin is also function only. It takes something inside, parameters. But what is it returning? String. So bin of 5 means it is returning string. Shall we run? Can you see? This is the string. Now what is ordinal of A? 65. It's an integer. Got it? What is function? A function is inside your Python or what you write in your own code. Okay? And functions are of 4 types. Whatever signature that you have. Signature in the sense how it is the function. Function will have parameters, whatever you have written, or if it is inside your Python code, it expects parameter. Can I give maximum with empty parameter and expect something? Maximum, I'm not giving anything. Will it work? I'll get an error saying maximum requires something, at least one argument. If you give only 25, 34, it will return again error because it says max requires 2 arguments. Just sending it only one. That is the reason there is an error. Now I send 34, 67. 2 parameters and it has a return type maximum. Okay? అర్థమైందా? ఫంక్షన్ 4 టైప్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఫంక్షన్ కి మనం పారామీటర్ పంపిస్తుంది, పారామీటరైజ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఆ ఫంక్షన్ లోపల కోడ్ లో రిటర్న్ అని రాసి ఉంటే అది రిటర్న్ ఇస్తుంది. రాసి లేకపోతే ప్రింట్ లో రాసి ఉందా రిటర్న్? ప్రింట్ పారామీటర్స్ తీసుకుంటాయా? తీసుకోదా? మళ్ళీ మనం సప్లై చేస్తేనే అది ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది కదా. పారామీటర్ తీసుకుంటుందా? ప్రింట్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ పారామీటర్ తీసుకుంటుందా లేదా? హలో వరల్డ్ మనం ఏం రాస్తాం అది పారామీటర్, అదే ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది కదా కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ పైన, స్క్రీన్ పైన అదే చూపిస్తుంది. సో ప్రింట్ అనేది పారామీటర్ ఫంక్షన్ అలా కాదా? రిటర్న్ టైప్ ఉందా? నో రైట్. మీకు తెలుసుకోవాలా దానికి రిటర్న్ టైప్ ఉందా లేదా అంటే ఏదన్నా a = ప్రింట్ అని రాయండి, దాన్ని ప్రింట్ చేయండి. దీని నిజంగానే ఏదైనా రిటర్న్ ఉంటే లోపల వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, అది ప్రింట్ అయితే. రిటర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్రింట్ ఈస్ ఏ తర్వాత కామన్. రిటర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్రింట్ ఇస్ నన్. లోపల రిటర్న్ లేకపోతే నన్ వస్తుంది, మీరు ఆటోమేటిక్లీ వేరియబుల్ అసైన్ చేసి. ఓకే, సో built-in functions. Okay, now take this questions. We have done some data searches, right? This people అందులో update usage, add, append usage అవి కూడా predefined functions, built-in functions. దానికి కోడ్ రాయకపోతే అది built-in. Now other data structures are stack. Yes, but you have to write down the theoretical part with the research. I'll show you how you do the research part. Okay, this skill will help you to understand any of the complex topic. If I say you what is stack, how will you search it in your mobile or laptop? ChatGPT, right? Fine. But more than ChatGPT, I'm going to show you something. Which one? Comet or Perplexity. What is research mode? You do know that? I've shown that. It's done for this class. Okay. So let's take this example. Stack in Python. If you hit this, same like ChatGPT. But what is the difference? What am I going to show you is the research, this part. Click on this, same question. So even Perplexity is giving you this answer, but hit this question. Now it will take few minutes, gather more information and give you all the answers. On top of that, yes, the sources part. Now you have not understood what is performance comparison, this statement. Add it as a follow-up. Just like how you asked, right? Me question. Inside this, add it as a follow-up and hit it. Okay, are you? Edana code ardham kaledu and you are with your laptop, not in the class. Use this concept of research. అందులో ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ స్క్రీన్ పైన తెచ్చి ప్లస్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎ PhD guy giving you the answer. కోడ్ తో సహా సేమ్ కోడ్ ని కాపీ చేసి VS కోడ్ పైన రన్ చేయి. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇంకా అర్థమైంది. Now Google, if you search it, it will give you the same. Here click on sources, click on this one, so it will give you the same from Stack Overflow, other వేరే వెబ్సైట్ లో, రియల్ పైథాన్ అనే వెబ్సైట్ లో, Python DQ, YouTube. Okay, it will give you the YouTube video of this topic. Now on top of that, you ask the same follow-up question or any new question in the lab mode. What is the difference in research and lab? It will give you more sources. You see the explanation of this and research is different than a normal search also. Topic same untadi. If I want to know about Hyderabad, I go in research mode, it will give you more information. I go in the lab mode, it will give more other apps also. Okay? Now, can you do the same thing? Maybe use whichever. Actually, I have to give you before teaching you this trick of perplexity, research mode, lab mode. What I do to the student is I give you one topic called stack and cube, other things. For 15 minutes, they will be searching. Then I give this trick to them, saying that you don't have to go to different websites. Automatically, all the website knowledge, all the 10, 12 are there, right? Or 20, it will accumulate at one and then give it to you. Okay? Before ChatGPT, before AI, we were doing the same thing. We were using our brain, going up different. Not Vijayawada, right? I want to a history of Vijayawada. So I'll go to Google, hit all the websites. At each of the website, I'm getting all the information. Some website give deep information, some only one or two. Some give geographical, some business information, some only the hotels. Now with AI and Perplexity, AI with ChatGPT, LLMs, what is happening? All this information is projected on your screen. Just like what you were using experience, spending 1 hour, 2 hours, that part you're getting it in front of you. And still you want to dig up, you have all the sources. Still you want to go in deep, what are the apps used there? OYO app, other apps. Go into the lab mode. You'll get the code for it also. Okay? How is this useful? We have many of the topics, right? Built-in functions, data structure, object-oriented. From now, not only Python, but any topic that you get. You have group discussion. For only Cognizant, if you are going, search group discussion topic done in Cognizant. In the whole internet, it will search and give you experience of fresher interview in Cognizant. Somebody will write it on Reddit or somewhere. YouTube will also have it, right? So you don't have to spend your video time in that. It will collect all that information in Cognizant, which topics they are asking for fresher, and it will give you. And in the sources, you can go to that Quora post also. What happens in Cognizant, whatever. Only company specific will have less information nowadays. Who is going to post all these things? 2 days before I had an interview. Did I post anything about that company? But somebody will post. Out of 99, one will post it, right? Now you have, okay, take a 1 minute break. We are switching to back to Python. You want to complete it faster? I can extend half an hour more. It's not completing faster. It's each and every topic. Okay. Teaching Python along with that AI is helping you. Is it helping you? Yeah, only Python. Yes. You need to be patient little. We can complete it within 2 weeks also. Okay. But again, what will happen? Different people have different grasping. Okay. Okay. So this is nothing to related with any language, especially for this batch. The next example. If I know Hindi, how many states I can work? All north. And if I know only Malayalam? Yeah, border districts. If I know only Telugu, if I know English, it's just an example I'm giving. Now here English is equals to, where is first temp, right? Now you have A is equals to 90. Okay, you have def function name. Inside a function also you can have one more function. Function lopala you have one function called A. C is equals to A plus 100. Whatever you are sending A. So to call this function, you need to send one parameter, right? Why only one parameter? Because only one is there. A, it will take and add it as 100 and it will give the C as a return. So here I am calling the function, then only I am getting the int add like this. So what it will print? 110. Got it? Now this C is like, it will be till here only. I cannot use C is equals to 90. Change it or print C. I'll get error. Endukante C ikkada dakane. I am a local of Hyderabad, and practical example I am giving you. If I know Telugu only, whole Telangana, Andhra, I will be able to work. But I cannot, somebody from Delhi, they cannot use me, right? They cannot take my skills, right? Now, another example is, if I have selling skills, language is important, right? I'm selling something, pen, software, anything. After MBA, we do the same thing, right? Just kidding. I have done my MBA. Don't worry. So I'm just making it funny. Yeah? So here the boundary is till here only, right? And the boundary is over for add. Till here only C can be changed, C can be printed. C is accessible. But A can be used inside this boundary. It can be used after the function. It can be used anywhere. Why? A is global. A can be used inside this function. After the function, I can print this. Print A. But this line number 12 will give me error. Error is enduku? Space. E C anedi only for local for this one. Idi dakane use cheyachu. Lopala enta code unna kuda idne print C and use cheyachu. Print ana change cheyalanna. Endukante boundary for this one add is still here only. C is declared first time here. It becomes a local. The lifespan is still there only. But A is global. Now I want to print A. Will it print? C, I will keep it like this. A. Now you see, value of A is same thing I'm accessing here. Value of A is, so A is accessible inside. A is a person, global, inside the district also, outside the district, outside in other states also. So it is giving the value. Value of A is 10, value of A is 90. 90 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? అచ్చా యాడ్ చేసినాం కదా. Now value of A is 90 because it is 90. Now I have one more C. Okay, C is there, right? Now I want C. Will it work? C ikkada nunchi ikkada dakane. You are getting error. C. Why? This is still here only. C can be used, edited, or done anything. Outside you cannot. Got it? Not Tamil only ochu. I can work only in Tamil Nadu. I can survive in Tamil Nadu only, right? Will I go to Delhi? Nothing. I go to Germany, Tamilians. Now English guy. Why only English? Because it is mostly used by the humans. That is the reason only. Go to Fiji Island. Probably not. Okay, so it's just a general topic. Okay, because they have conquered many of the African countries, many of the Asian countries, even China. They tried, right? So they were even first came Spanish, first then came Portugal, French. That is the reason whichever part they have come towards, that districts and that states have more speaking French. Go to Goa, you'll find Spanish and French, right? Go to Indonesia, you'll find many people speaking French. That is the part. Yeah. Okay, the pending guys, you can start with the data structures, what is stack, and the topics of the data structures. Okay.